Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film a full day of eating, or what I eat in a day video to share with you. I haven't filmed one of these in a while, and we returned from England the other day, and yesterday I made a big chicken soup, which I shared a video for that. And now today I feel like all the green veggies. I'm kind of on the road to recovery from having a bit of a cold. We've all been having colds, so I just want a day full of green veggies. So I'm going to make all kinds of yummy green veggie meals that are mostly low carb and keto friendly. And I've shared these recipes that I plan to make today in the past on my blog, so I'll leave links to those down below so you can get the full recipes. But yeah, let's go and make something green and yummy for breakfast. When I went grocery shopping yesterday, I found this big, beautiful broccoli for 50 cents. Was €1 now, 50 cents. So I've got this big broccoli to enjoy today, and I've got this pack of zucchini, which was 25 cents, was €1, 25 cents for 2 zucchini. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make zucchini or courgette for breakfast and save my little broccoli, big broccoli. Look at the size of it compared to my hand, it's massive. The broccoli is going to be for my second meal of the day. First meal of the day is going to be these courgettes. Now I usually follow intermittent fasting, eating between the hours of 8 AM and 4 PM, but we all kind of had a lay-in this morning. It's almost 9 o'clock already and we haven't eaten, so I am going to make my big green shakshuka with these zucchinis to make a big green breakfast to start our day. I've diced up my zucchini, and I'm also going to use a purple onion, and I've got butter bubbling away, melted, ready in the frying pan behind me, and that butter is melting away. I've added in my zucchini and my onion. You don't have to use onion, you can use regular onion. I just happen to have red onion in my kitchen that I want to use. So I'm going to cook this until it's just about ready, and then add in some eggs. There's some colour beginning to develop on all of my veggies. It's softening up nicely. Another couple of minutes and then we'll make some room and crack in some eggs. Okay, it's quite steamy, but I've made some room in between all my veggies, and I'm going to add in some eggs. And there you go. Eggs are in there. Pretty much almost cooked. The pan's so hot it just takes a couple of minutes. And that's pretty much how to make my green shakshuka. You can add a bit of feta or any cheese you want over it as well, already any green veggies, but I'll leave a link down below to the blog post where I give my step-by-step instructions for you to follow. But yeah, that's my big green breakfast for this morning, and keep watching for more green easy keto meals. And now for my second meal of the day, I've chopped up all of this beautiful broccoli, and I'm going to make my broccoli and cheese soup, which I shared the other week, and yeah, you can get the recipe for that down below. So I've chopped all my broccoli up, and I'm going to saute it and make a big warming soup because it's pretty cold today in Ireland, and I just need a nice broccoli soup to warm me up. Pop some butter into a saucepan, my broccoli in, some onion underneath there too, and I'm just going to saute it just for a couple of minutes and then pour over some stock. Okay, I've poured over a whole lot of water and add a stock cube, and I mix that through. You can add cream, milk, which is what I suggest in my recipe, but I just feel like stock today for some reason, so that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to bring this up to a bubble, let it simmer away for 25-30 minutes until everything's nice and soft, and then my soup will be ready. Okay, it's been simmering away for quite a while now, and it's nice and softened. Everything's just falling apart just how I like it. Now you could blend it or use a stick blender, but I'm just going to enjoy it like that. And go in a bowl, it's nice and warm, and I'm just going to top it up with some cheese. Just like that, and that's my lovely lunch today. Broccoli soup with loads of cheese. I find it's really filling, and I'm still going to probably have one more meal before I end my day of eating, slightly before 4 o'clock, so we'll catch up then and I'll let you know what it is. And it's just slightly before 4 o'clock, and I'm sauteing some sausages and some zucchini. I still had the other zucchini left from this morning, only used one this morning, so I'm doing the other one now, and I'm just going to saute it until they're all nice and cooked through, and then I'll make up a little plate to finish up my day. Oh yeah, happy with how that's looking. I'm going to plate it up now. And that's my little plate. I've got some zucchini, some sausages and cheese, and that's my final meal of the day. So that is today's video with a full day of eating with all kinds of green veggies, just what I feel like after having a week away in England. And if you watched the video the other day, I definitely didn't do keto while away, so it's good to have full day of keto now that we're back home. But thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know your thoughts on this video. I look forward to reading your comments, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!